Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So let's talk about fundamental operations on integers. So what are the fundamental operations on integers? So we have four, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so direct mo dito tani addition of integers. So adding integers with the same signs. So it's positive, positive, negative, negative. So the same ha, which means pareha. Okay. No, dara ang rules. Kung mag-add kuno ka og pareha nga sign, add and take the sign. So i-add na nimo ang integers and then copy the sign. For example, this one. Kaning naa sa kaning napita. Negative 3 plus negative 4. So, pareha man silang negative, imuha na silang i-add. 3 plus 4 is 7, then copy the sign which is negative. So, kung pareha silang duha nga positive, so, directly add the integers. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Okay. Basta wala gali kanang minus nga sign gani nga number, put pasabot, that's a positive. No need to write plus nga sign nga para ma-emphasize nimo nga positive ang imong answer. No. Okay. So example, kani 12 plus 15. So they are both positive, right? So directly add the integers. 12 plus 15 is 27. And then copy the sign which is positive. So positive na ni si 27. Okay, letter B. Negative 9 plus negative 4. So they have the same sign which is negative. So add 9 plus 4 is 13 and then copy the sign which is negative. So ano na po ta? Kanang tulo ka buok nga integers. So negative 2 plus negative 3 plus negative 4. So ayaw mo palibog sa sign. Focus on the integers. Add them. So 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is 9. And then sa may sign sa tulo, negative, di ba? So, copy the sign which is negative. Okay, so yun na kayo ng adding integers with the same signs. Then let's proceed to adding integers with different signs. So, different means dili pareha. So, it's either negative and positive, then positive, negative. Okay? Okay, para negative 5 plus positive 5. So, they don't have the same sign. So man naman na. Imuha na silang i-subtract. Proceed to subtraction. 10 minus 5 is 5, right? And then, copy the sign of the larger number. Again, copy the sign of the larger number. Kisa may dako, si 10 or si 5? Diba si 10? Masa may sign ni 10? Negative. So, your answer will be negative. So yun na, di ba? Next, negative 8 plus positive 11. So, they don't have the same sign. So, automatically, mo subtract na ka. 11 minus 8 is 3. And then, copy the sign of the larger number. Who is larger? 8 or 11? So, yes. 11 ang dako nga number. So, unsa may sign ni 11? Positive. So, therefore, your answer will be positive. Next is, tulo na pud ka integers ang involved. Negative 9 plus positive 4 plus negative 1. So, isa nila nga positive. And then, duha mo'y negative. So, man ninyo. Okay. Isa yun ra nga way para mo maka-answer mo. It's either, inyuhan siya ganidon or unahon nimo og add tong pareha nga sign usa ka mo subtract sa dili nga pareha nga sign. For example, this one. Pareha ra gyud pa na sila answer. Okay. akong giingon nga una. Okay. Negative 9 and 4. So, positive man o negative. So, subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5. Then, copy the sign which is of the larger number which is negative. So, your answer here is negative 5. Yeah. Plus negative 1. So, negative 5 naman o negative 1. So, pareha na sila og sign. So, unsa na ganito? Basta pareha na og sign, atoan na silang i-plus. So, 5 plus 1 is 6. And then, copy the sign of the given integers. So, negative 5 man og negative 1. So, the sign is obviously negative. So, your answer is negative 6. Pwede na pa akong itong gingon ng ikaduha. Unahon nimo og add tong pareha nga sign o saan mo i-subtract. Okay. Ang pareha nga sign is negative 9 o si negative 1. So, pareha gani og sign ato ang i-add. 9 plus 1 is 10. Then, copy the sign which is negative, right? So, negative 10. And then, usa pa na to i-appeal si positive 4. So, positive man og negative, so we have to subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6. And then, copy the sign of the larger number. So, answer gani sa kanang negative 9 og negative 1. So, negative 10, di ba? So, negative ang dako. So, man ang negative 6. So, para lagay po answer. Depende na ninyo og unsa inyohang para ninyo sayon. Sayon batiman-an. Okay, let's proceed to subtraction of integers. Subtracting sign numbers. Okay. Kani si subtraction of integers, ma-appeal na siya sa adding integers. Prepare na sila. So, ano si addition or subtraction. Okay. So, positive 7 minus negative 4. Okay. Kasi matinga mo, ano na positive na ni. Tungod kay, ang inyong basihan is, di ba mauman ni ang sign, ang operation minus. And then, gisundan og negative. So, imuha nang i-multiply. Negative times negative is positive. So, nara na sa multiply or divide. Kung pareha og sign ko, no, the answer is always positive. Kung different ang sign, the answer is always negative. Okay, nya kapareha sila negative, negative, nya negative. So, when we multiply them, the answer is positive. So, nahimon siyang positive 7 plus 4. So, 7 plus 4 is 11. Next. Nauna si negative 4, usa ang subtraction nga sign. Okay, so nyo na. So, negative man ni siya, minus, and then gisundan og positive. So, what is negative times positive? Again, different sign. Kung dili pareha og sign, the answer is negative. So, therefore, may man siyang negative 4 is equals to, sa atin ang sotan. Negative 4 minus 6 equals 10. Okay. Negative 10 is siya. Negative 10. Okay, let's proceed to multiplication of integers. Again, so multiplying with the same sign. So, note that the product of two negative numbers is positive. Okay, positive 7 times positive 6 is positive 42. Negative 9 times negative 10 is positive 19. Anong na positive man? Tungod sa rule. The rule is, kung pareha og sign, the answer is always positive. So, they have the same sign which is negative. So, the answer is positive. Okay? 6 times negative 6 times negative 1/3 is equals to 6/3. And then, imuha na yung simplify. In simplifying, you have to find common factor. So, what is, balik sa tari. Yan ako i-emphasize ang lapita. Okay? Di ba kanina si -6 is a whole number? So, as a whole number, naan sila'y denominator nga 1. Fraction, pwede siya ma-fractional form, pero na siya denominator nga 1. Always gina siya. So, in multiplying fraction, multiply directly numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So, in this case, -6 will be the numerator. So, directly multiply -6 and -1. So, what is -6 times -1? So, the answer is +6. And then, 1 times 3 is 3. Negative sign times negative is positive. So, mo na yung answer of 6/3. So, what is the common factor of 6 and 3? So, the common factor, the GCF of 6/3 is 3, right? So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, mo ni si 2. Next, let's proceed to multiplying sign numbers. So, if the two numbers have the same sign, the product is positive. If two numbers have different signs, the product is negative. Okay, so 5 times -4 is -20. -8 times -2 is +16. -16 times +3 is -48. Okay, kana si multiplicate, kung igsuon na si addition ag si o si subtraction, kanay sab si multiplication o si division, igsuon sad. Okay? Division of integers, dividing sign numbers. So, pareha na sila og rules sa multiplication. If the two numbers have the same sign, the quotient is positive. If the two numbers have different signs, the quotient is negative. Okay, so in dividing fractions, you have to find the f, which is the greatest common factor. So what is the greatest common factor of 18 and 3? So 3, di ba? 18 divided by 3 is 18 divided by 3 is 6. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 1 is C. And then negative and positive man. Si numerator negative, si denominator positive. So isla pareha og sign. So therefore, your answer is negative. Let's proceed to 500/-25. So, what's the common? 25, right? So, 500 divided by 25 is 20. And then again, the numerator is positive while the denominator is negative. So, there is la parehag sign. So, therefore, the quotient is negative. Okay, let's proceed to letter C. 90 over -90 over -15. So the common factor of that fraction is negative 15. Ay, sa nauna na ano niya ng sign. So 90 divided by 15 is 6. 15 divided by 15 is 1. And then they have the same sign, negative. So therefore, kung pareha og sign, the answer is always positive. So yun na siya. So yun na kayo. About the following. Sure. Okay. So that will be all, and good luck.